Hi, my name is Jennifer, a future lawyer, and welcome to our culturally rich Miami-Dade College Inter-American campus.
And I'm Jorge, a future translator interpreter. We're about to take you on a tour of the Inter-American campus, or IAC for short, to give you a glimpse of the student experience.
IAC is one of the 8 campuses of Miami-Dade College, one of the nation's largest institutions of higher learning. We're proud to be part of this culturally diverse mix of students.
Yes, at IAC you'll receive higher education and the best opportunities. Our facilities and locations set us apart.
We feel at home on this campus for its warm and friendly staff and for being located in Little Havana, a lively community with a vibrant history.
Our student experience is a reflection of where we're located, so close to Brickell and downtown Miami.
Our international flag courtyard is also a great setting on a nice sunny day.
Which is why this area plays host to a number of events throughout the year on our campus. Take a look around.
A nice hot colada at one of our open spaces, or I can show you our smoothie bar in Building 6.
The best way to start the day. Where should we go next?
Well, like all new students, we should continue at the new student services.
Oh, that makes sense.
The first step to your new education starts right here at the new student services.
Yes, all the help you need in selecting your classes, financial aid, setting up an orientation date, and more starts right here.
Now on to advisement and career studies.
Here's where you'll meet with your advisor to go over your major and the classes you'll be taking next semester.
Once you and your advisor have narrowed down the courses you'll be taking for the semester, you'll be handed a printout of your schedule.
Okay, I've got my schedule.
Great, you'll need it for where we're going next.
We're about to head into our brand new Building 6. It's the new home of our School of Education, School of Business, Honors College, Learning Commons, Student Life, and the bookstore, and lots of cool spaces to hang out in between classes.
As well as a new state-of-the-art classrooms, smoothie bar, and cafe, and grand conference center, which will be able to house up to 500 people for college functions and events. Wait till you see the view from 16 stories high.
The new Student Life. I love this place. Here's where students come to alleviate the pressures of everyday college experience. Here you can play pool, ping pong, video games, air hockey, and even dominoes. And for nothing else, just relax on the couches.
And also, this is where our student clubs and organizations meet.
But that's not why we're here, right?
No, the reason we're here is to get issued our student ID and parking decal.
Remember that schedule we printed out in academic advisement?
Yeah.
Well, you're going to need to present that here in order to get your student ID and parking decal issued to you.
Every student is issued a parking decal, which should be placed on the rear glass of the student's vehicle.
The decal will grant you parking at any of the student lots at any Miami-Dade College campus. Welcome to the School of Education.
Many of your own teachers have graduated from right here.
Come this way, I want to show you something.
This is one of our new state-of-the-art School of Education classrooms.
See these desks? They can be broken up to accommodate group projects. If the business world is what interests you, then our School of Business can prepare you for your career in accounting, marketing, entrepreneurship, you name it. You can even earn your bachelor's degree right here at IAC. If your GPA is 3.7 or higher, you can apply to our prestigious Honors College.
Our Honors College students are enrolled into rigorous courses and are also exposed to unique learning experiences.
The Honors College students have their own study area and computer lab.
Quiet and with all the support you need to feed your mind.
Wow, I feel smarter already.
Great. After they graduate with their associate's degrees, they transfer to other universities such as Cornell, UF, FSU, Georgia Tech, and Johns Hopkins, as well as other universities throughout the U.S.
Oh yes, and they get to travel to Austria every year.
Now we're going to go to a place where you can study and feed your brains. Welcome to the Learning Commons. This is our new library, media center, and study area.
Here students can sign into our computers and do research on endless topics. They can also check out books, laptops, media, and most importantly, get help from a librarian.
Students can reserve a study room for group projects or tutoring.
Or they can simply meet, work on group projects, or get tutoring at one of our group study areas.
I really love our new building.
It really is impressive. I can't wait for our next semester to take advantage of all these new spaces, indoors and outdoors.
Oh, absolutely.
We sincerely hope that you enjoyed this tour. Hey, care for a colada? Maybe even a smoothie?
Don't mind if I do. We hope you benefited from this tour here at the Inter-American campus. For more information on our campus and programs, feel free to visit our website at www.mdc.edu/IAC. Also, you can find our admissions application online.
Thank you. We hope to see you at your new home, Inter-American campus.